Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope so all of you are well and fine and enjoying all of my videos. In this video, I am gonna be sharing with you some most attractive and easy to make ideas of crochet mug cozy. You will see very attractive and gorgeous designs. These are very simple and easy to make ideas, which are just simple one row or two row repeat patterns and some basic stitches of crochet work like single crochet, half double crochet and double crochet is used to make them. You can see this beautiful design in granny square pattern as well. Most of the designs are in one or two row repeat patterns, but a few of the designs are of patchwork as well, like granny square pattern and solid granny square pattern. So all of the different designs, unique color schemes are included in this video. So just give this video a big thumbs up if you like these designing ideas, and just take a screenshot of the design which you like the most and you want to make. You can make it by yourself at home very easily if you know crochet work. Otherwise, you can visit beginner friendly stitches pattern videos which are available on my channel as well. And if you are interested in seeing any specific tutorial video of these kind of mug cozy, you can just let me know in the comments. Many of the square patterns, round patterns are available on my channel, and simple basic stitches pattern are also available. And if you are interested in seeing these kinds of mug cozy tutorial in any specific pattern which is currently not available on my channel, you can let me know. I will make tutorial videos on your request too. So don't forget to subscribe if you are a crochet lover and if you are new to my channel. And after pressing the red subscribe button, press the bell icon and then all option as well, so that whenever I upload a new video, you can get notifications of each and you won't miss any future update from this channel. So stay connected and enjoy all kinds of crochet stuff ideas and their tutorial videos on my channel too, because on this channel, other than ideas videos of these kinds of crochet stuff and all other handmade stuff, crochet tutorial videos are also available on my channel. And you can just request any specific tutorial video which is currently not available on my channel as well. And if you are having any question related to any crochet project, you can let me know. I will answer your questions too. So stay connected and share this video with other handmade products lover in your circle, so that they can also get benefit from these type of videos. You can see, to make these mug cozy, different kinds of yarns are used. Most of the designs are made with 4-ply soft yarn. Some of the designs are made with hard yarn as well, like cotton yarn. So you can use any kind of yarn to make them. This one is made with very shiny yarn. Thank you so much for watching this video. Take care. Bye.